Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.
Kiwa chong ka Rattacherra ada phala ki wo yo wo Wiar ki luti lai ka jan namo ki Footpath hei pynchna ya o National Highway 6 kam usarok khandau bilat karte. Hei ya to wa ini da tho chau DC ki is jain the hills de wo ong wa nei daw wom em pendep ye kre de wa to rokom uni usarok manu o wala pho baha I wadakta ya ki walai wa wan man kasngi kham tam ki khna askur. Hai ini pynchna ya uni usrok do Wiar le ki Footpath wa jo em we ki bru da hap ki wo lai de lang wa ki kari I wa ye wo wan ra ye jia was nyausi kamte da karpat ya udisi wo le ye wa em kam yo pun Wiar ye le pho we wo chna le ye ki Footpath hawro ki thau wa em ki chnong hatambut usrok na du jawai Rattacherra kani ka chithi da bu hau DC na du ka khat vitring nai khande ar haja ar pausan tangwam em le yi hei wa chong chnong da ongi wala to jia kam ni hago hati Shillong wa Delhi kana hai da smart ko le ye wa em kam tangwa ne daw won wa ini to is jain the hills em wa banane bha em corridor ki min sin bru da ongi le wa de le kam ni pen yo wa chong chnong to ki wa cha khen jem wei man da yap da ki khana ki wa he de wa cha yu ha ka trong ki yi wo ba khli